My assembly table is almost the perfect workstation, but unfortunately it's pretty dang wobbly on top. So I've decided to build it some support legs. The first set of supports is meant to serve two purposes. Number one, add support at its lowest height. And two, provide a connection point for a longer set of legs. These legs did not provide enough support. So then I built these legs, which turned out to be very sturdy, but a bit of a pain to take off or on each time I want to adjust the height. So to make things easier, placed these screws with some threaded knobs.